How to add credit or debit card on Asos app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Asos is already installed on a device. Once you have the app on a device, open it. Wait for a while for it to load. You need to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage of Asos. Once you are in here, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and head over to Payment Methods. Click on Add New Address. In order to add your payment method, you have to enter your billing address. You have to enter all of the necessary details of your address. Once you are done, tap on Save Address at the bottom. This interface will appear on your screen. As you're looking forward on adding credit or debit card, here click on the very first option, Credit or Debit Card. Once you click on it, the interface will appear where you will have to enter all of the details of your card. Enter your card name, card number, expiration date, social security number, and other informations. Once you are done filling up all the details, tap on Save, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card on Asos app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.